Alright, let's dive into this awesome trading indicator called the linear regression channel by my favorite, ChartPrime. This tool is super cool. It helps you see market trends clearly and spot those sweet reversal points using a classic technique called linear regression. It's like having a roadmap for your trades. We're gonna break down what this indicator does and how you can use it to level up your trading game. If you dig this video, please hit that like button. It helps a ton. Let's jump right in. To get started, head over to TradingView, the platform I'm using here. No account? No sweat. There's a link in the description to sign up. Once you're on TradingView, pull up your favorite chart, maybe a stock or crypto pair you love. Then click the indicators button up top. Type linear regression channel into the search bar and look for the one by, of course, ChartPrime. Big shout out to them. Click it to add it to your chart. Easy peasy. Now check this out. This is the linear regression channel indicator by ChartPrime. It draws channels and bands on your chart using linear regression math. It's built to show you the main trend, flag the markets overbought or oversold, and give you hints about where the price might head next. On your chart, you'll see these colorful channels and bands. The main channel shows the trend's direction, red at the bottom, blue at the top, giving a quick vibe of the market's flow. Then, you've got the linear regression bands acting like guardrails, showing when the price is stretched too far. It's overbought near the top band and oversold near the bottom. When the price hits the lower band, the sellers are running out of gas, making it a great spot to look for buys. On the flip side, when it touches the upper band, the buyers are tapped out, so it's a good time to think about selling. But what if the price busts through these bands? That's a big move, putting the price in what I like to call no man's land, signaling it might step back to normal soon. After a breakout like that, the indicator throws up these cool reversal diamond signals. For example, if the price dips below the lower band and the blue diamond pops up, it's a heads up that the price is likely to bounce back into the channel. The opposite goes for short trades. If the price spikes above the upper band in an uptrend and a red diamond shows up, it's signaling a drop back into the channel. You'll also notice the price bars are color-coded, like a heat map, showing if the action is bullish, bearish, or neutral based on where it sits in the regression setup. Plus, there are these handy directional arrows tied to a future prediction feature, giving you a sneak peek at where the price might go next. Want to tweak the settings? Click the gear icon. In the Inputs tab under Settings Bands, there's a checkbox to plot those arrow bands. It's on by default. Below that, the length is set to 150, which tells the indicator how far back to look for its calculations. Longer lengths make smoother, wider bands. Shorter ones react faster to recent prices. Then there's the deviation settings for the bands, set to 3. This controls how wide the bands are. Higher numbers spread them out to catch bigger price swings, while lower ones keep them tight. Under Settings channel, the option to plot the main trend channel is off by default, but you can turn it on to see that central trend line. It's got its own length 150 by default and deviation set to 1 to adjust its look back and width. Next, the future projection channel settings both plot future projection of linear regression and plot arrow direction are off by default. Check those boxes if you want to see the forecast line and arrows, which have their own length and deviation settings to play with. There's also a checkbox for showing input values on the chart's status line if you're into that. Over the Style tab, you can toggle options to customize how everything looks. Plots, bar heat map, bar colors, diamonds, labels, fills, and lines. Once you're done tweaking, hit OK. Alright, let's talk about using this linear regression channel indicator in your strategy. First, spot the trend using the main channel if you turned it on, or the band's general slope. If it's sloping up and the price is hanging near or bouncing off the lower band, you're in an uptrend. If it's sloping down and the price sticks near the upper band, it's a downtrend. Then, use the bands to find entry points. For a bullish trade, watch for the price to dip toward the lower band, signaling oversold conditions. When a blue reversal diamond appears after the price touches or dips below that band, it's a sign momentum's shifting up, giving you a solid long entry as the price heads back into the channel. For a bearish setup, do the opposite. Wait for the price to push up to the upper band, showing overbought conditions. When a red reversal diamond pops up after hitting or breaking above that band, it's a cue for short entry, expecting the price to drop back toward the channel's middle. The color-coded candles help confirm the momentum shift around these band touches and diamond signals. Don't sleep on the future prediction channel and directional arrows. They give you extra insight into where the market's leaning, helping you set targets or manage trades.
Welcome aboard our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success.
So wrapping it up, the linear regression channel by ChartPrime is a super versatile tool. It uses linear regression to draw channels and bands that help you read the trend and spot overbought or oversold reversal zones. Those reversal diamonds for breakouts, color-coded bars, and optional future predictions make it a killer visual aid for technical analysis, giving you an edge without the headache of repainting indicators. But heads up, this is not financial advice. This is just for learning purposes. Focusing on this one indicator, a real trading strategy needs more than one tool. Mix in your own analysis, price action, chart patterns, fundamentals, or whatever fits your style before making moves. Always do your homework and keep your risk in check. And if you're looking for the best strategies and some different approaches to make any trading strategy, including your existing one or this one, into a bot with alerts so it does job for you while you're not around and it's going to be all for free, make sure to check the recommended playlists and videos on your screen. Believe me, you will thank me later. If you got value from this, drop a like, or even better, hit subscribe for more indicator guides and trading tips. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.